In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for collaboration with other people. Notion is a great tool for working with teammates, clients, or anyone else you need to share information with. Whether you are building notes, planning projects, or reviewing documents together, Notion makes collaboration simple once you know where everything is. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to share a page. Choose the right permission settings, and use the built-in collaboration features to work together smoothly. To begin, open the Notion page you want to share. Once you are on that page, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is where you control who can access the page. In the sharing window, type in your collaborator's email address or select them if they're already part of your workspace. After that, click Invite. This sends them access to the page so they can start collaborating with you. Before or after sending the invite, it's important to choose the right permission level. Notion gives you a few options depending on how much access you want someone to have. Full access allows them to edit the page and invite other people. So this is best for trusted collaborators who are actively managing the content with you. Can Edit lets them change the content, but they won't be able to invite or remove others. Can Comment is a good option when you want feedback, without allowing direct changes to the page itself. And Can View gives read-only access, which is useful when someone just needs to see the information. You also have the option to turn on Share to Web. This creates a public link that you can send out for easy access. It's especially useful for external documents that only need to be viewed, not edited. Just remember that a public link is broader than inviting a specific person, so use it carefully depending on the content. Once your team has access, you can start working together in real time. Notion supports live editing, which means multiple people can type on the same page at the same time. You'll be able to see their profile avatar and active cursor as they work, which helps everyone stay aligned. For communication, use @mentions inside the page. Type the @ symbol followed by a teammate's name to notify them directly. You can also type followed by a date to add deadlines or reminders. And if you want to discuss a specific part of the page, highlight text or a block and leave an inline comment. This is perfect for feedback, suggestions, questions, or task discussions. With the right sharing settings and a few collaboration tools, Notion becomes a very efficient space for teamwork.